Konnichiwa. Hello everyone. This is the duck in Japan on a rainy day. And today I'd like to talk about microcontrollers. I have been playing with all sorts of little devices and breadboarding on things like this, and they end up sitting around on a shelf in the house collecting dust. And so I wanted to come up with an enclosure that was safe and compact, didn't take up a lot of shelf space or table space, because I have a plan to have a lot of these around. The interesting projects to me are when a lot of these little microcontrollers are sitting around with sensors of various kinds and not only talking to each other, but talking to other kinds of devices, smartphones, PCs, the internet. So this is what I came up with. This is sort of my first project involving design of multiple parts that have to fit together into something that is functional. So I hope to use this new platform that I've developed to construct a whole bunch of these that do different things and that will communicate with each other, and ultimately they will be inside the house and outside the house. So they're going to have to deal with the elements. So eventually we'll try to make this more watertight, and we'll see where this goes. So thank you for watching my videos. I look forward to hearing what you have to say about this, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Mata ne.